So hopefully you watched my getting ready or getting started video where you cleaned up your Canvas course and exported your IMSCC file. If you didn't do that, go do it, because you're going to need that file to be able to do this. So we're in Mosh ADA Toolkit, and we're going to go find my exported file, hit open, and let the magic happen. So it tells you it is a large file, and it finds all of the files it can convert. In my programming class, I only have PowerPoint and PDF files. It will also convert Excel and Word files. You should not select files that you didn't create or that aren't open resources that you're allowed to modify by converting to HTML. I don't fix the PowerPoint files. I don't fix any of the files. My approach is to convert all of the files to wiki pages because I can, through rules, make those wiki pages ADA compliant through programming rules. I can't do that for PowerPoint and PDF natively. I have to convert them. So I'm going to run the selected conversions, and don't worry, I will shorten this for you. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes. So that conversion is complete, and it should have taken just about long enough to go and get a cup of coffee. So now I can go through and I can put in my alt text. And again, I'm going to speed this up for you, but I have tried to make it as easy as possible. It's going to come right here, and you hit enter. And each time you hit enter, it'll take you directly to the next one. And how long it takes will depend on how many images you have. Okay, so you can see we've gone to an ADA compliance of 84 to 100%. It is repackaging the course as a Canvas export file. You do have to accept that you are responsible for reviewing your course. I can't guarantee it's perfect. You should still review everything. You're going to download the repaired course. And then we get to import it into Canvas. So we're going to choose Canvas Export Package, grab our repaired file, and like many things in this world, we will wait. So you can see it imports it, and then it has to actually unpackage it into the class. Okay, so you're seeing that we have the same two issues we had when we first brought in the other one. They carried through, it didn't clean them up, but it didn't cause new ones. Now we can go and take a look at the course. So we can choose our home page. I will have to select one first, so I would have to go to Pages, and this is where all of my converted files came into. So I'm going to make Home, use this front page. I can go back to Home. And I can choose my home page and put that back where it belongs. Oops, do not mean to click on that. Those links are out of place. That's an older home page, so those links don't necessarily work. But I have my home page. I have my modules, which is where everything in my course is. You'd still have to go through and set up your settings for the course. Modules are here. You can see everything is coming in ADA compliant. And it has converted. I have my old videos from Panopto, they're still showing up, and it converted my PowerPoint into this wonderful HTML version as a wiki page. And the cool thing is, because it is a wiki page, I can now edit it. So I can just say data types presentation, and I can make changes here anywhere that I want to. And because they're pages, you can just edit them as in any other page. So now your course should be pretty much ADA compliant. May not be perfect, no guarantees for that. But if I go into my navigation, I want to make sure the panorama is here. I need to make sure that that is enabled. Then I can look at Panorama. And again, I'm not going to guarantee you it's 100%, but it's going to come in mostly done. Let's go back to the home page. And click on Panorama again. Here we want to look at the course report. Not generated, so we're going to generate the report. And my course is at 100% accessibility. And it is all web-based. That is deliberate, but it is at 100% accessibility. And that took, the entire process took about 18 minutes.